Hi everyone, I am back. Yeah, so I know I was gone for a while, but I'm back. And in order to bring better energy to the year to myself, I decided that I'm going to do a video of me just cleaning up my room. I recently moved back home from my school where I had an apartment because that apartment literally was awful. It was bug infested, rat infested, not rats, but there were mice, and it was just not a good environment for me, and it was really hindering like my mental health. And so I was only an hour and a half away from my house in with my mom, and so I decided that for my last semester at school I'm only taking 2 classes, so I can literally just go back and forth to school twice a week and finish my school year, and I'll be graduating in May and hopefully moving to New York, where you guys will definitely get a apartment makeover type video. So now I have a bunch of stuff in my old room where we brought all my stuff from my old apartment, my bug infested apartment, and so I wanted to make a video of me like cleaning up everything and organizing things, because I feel like that's the only way that I'm actually gonna do anything. I'm really glad to be back home, really glad to be in a home that I can not worry about a spider crawling on me in my sleep. Love that. That will be my video today, but first I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast.
So as you can see, this room looks atrocious. It's just stuff everywhere from me moving in. And so it's also really bare on the walls and on my desk. And so I want to add some stuff around to make it more homey. The closet is even worse. There's literally stuff all over the floor because my mom just put stuff in there for storage and she didn't put it neatly.
So I'm gonna try and make this room feel more like home. It's pretty bare. It's nothing really on the walls. There's nothing on my desk. It's just a mirror. This is the only thing on my walls. Really cheap painting. Not even a painting, a photograph, I guess, that I got from Amazon. And my mom's obsessed with the Panthers, and so she made me put this on the bed. But I'm gonna try and like put it somewhere else in the house because I don't really watch football. I feel like this is gonna take more than a day, but I'm gonna try to do as much as I can today and be able to cleanse myself, my room, and just feel anew.
First, I decided to start with laundry. Now on to the closet. I'm gonna just speed through this because y'all don't need to hear my commentary. It's truly unnecessary.
Oh, jeans. Just so I managed to clean up most of the clutter in here, and I just left a few of my clothes, shoes, and I'm gonna give away these shoes because I don't wear them at all. But look at all this. This is all that was in my closet. Like, it's ridiculous. It's truly ridiculous. Like, I'm literally walking on it. I don't know where I'm gonna put all of it. It's just like, oh my god. I decided I should just show you guys like most of the stuff that I'm going to be donating to Goodwill, and I found a bunch of random stuff that I don't use anymore that I feel like people might want to use. First, I'm going to start with this Michael Kors wallet. I don't use it anymore. It actually got a lot of longevity from me. Harry Potter the Sorcerer's Stone. I think I've only read the first 2 books of Harry Potter, so this was really just sitting around. I know that's really blasphemous for me to say, but yeah, I'm gonna donate this to Goodwill. Next is these Charming Charlie earrings that are really nice for like prom or something. This random witch's hat for Halloween. I don't know why it was in my closet, but like I don't need it, so I'm giving it away. I also found all of these disposable cameras in my closet. This lamp. It is clip-on, so you can like clip it on to the edge of a desk. This guitar. It is a first act guitar, so it's for children, but like if you're just starting out with guitar and you want to learn, I think it's great to just pick this up. And then lastly, I'm giving away this chair. I was also supposed to use this for my dorm, but I did not have enough room for a chair in my dorm at all. It's a steal if you find this at Goodwill. That is pretty much it, guys. That is what I will be giving away at Goodwill.
Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Here I'm just organizing all the stuff that I had in my room from my old house. And then my favorite part, cleaning off my desk. I don't know why I enjoyed it so much, but it was just so nice to clean it and organize it and make it look nice. So that's what I'm doing here. This picture is so crooked, guys. I'm so sorry. I could not get it straight at all.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so happy that I finally finished cleaning this room. I'm actually so happy with it. I think it looks so nice and like modern and clean and chic, and it's just a nice room. I don't really want to like come in it and mess it all up, because that's definitely what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm so proud of like doing most of this stuff by myself, even though the pictures are crooked. But yeah, I'm just so happy it came together really nicely and it looks exactly how I wanted it to. The only thing is that there's this one space over by my bed that I would like to put something. I don't really know what to put there, like maybe a shelf or something. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely look into it, because I feel like the space is used very nicely, except for that one part, it's bothering me. So if you guys have any, like, tell me what I should put there, pretty much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.